Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. It's your host, Itumele Nkosa here. Please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Right, I would like to firstly introduce my team. The first one is Miss Nolwazi Kumalo, who's a science teacher and our partner. Then also I would like to introduce Mr. Andres Sekhomoto, who is our accounting teacher, and also Ms. Tato Ncube, who is our mathematics teacher as well, and then myself, and I'm also a physical science teacher. So I would love to introduce everyone to our company, and please remember to do the right thing. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.